I'm Dr. Frita, and I'm about to make myself a green juice. I have never used this juicer before, so hey, let's just do it together. I'm going to start off with cucumbers. They have over 95% water, so they're very hydrating. I'm going to use a couple of them. They have vitamin K, they have vitamin C, they also have copper, they have magnesium. They're loaded with antioxidants. Cucumbers are low in salt, and they could actually help you to lower your blood pressure naturally. Next, I'm going to put in celery. Celery is another very wonderful, hydrating vegetable. It has 95% water as well. You know it's good for kidneys. It also has vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C. It has antioxidants as well. Kale. This is a wonderful leafy vegetable. It has vitamin B6, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. It has folate. It's high in fiber. Pineapple. Pineapple has an enzyme called bromelain, which is a serious anti-inflammatory, okay? Pineapple also has vitamin C, and it's quite delicious, and it's good for sweetening up your juices. Next, ginger. It has a substance called gingerol, which helps with the gastrointestinal system. Yes, it helps to move digestion along so food doesn't just sit there. It's good for nausea, it's good for abdominal bloating, it's good for gas. Now for the moment of truth. That is delicious. Oh! I'm not gonna lie, that's delicious. Now who's gonna clean up this mess?